YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are actually going to drain the pool behind us, and we're going to show you guys how to locate the drains in the front of the house on how to properly drain the water from the pool to your main sewer line. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So right here in the front of the house, we've actually located the two drains for the house. So you have this first cap and the cap back behind. So we're actually going to have a little drawing made up for you guys so you guys can actually understand how the drains work with your house and also what connects back to the direct sewer line at the street. So we'll actually throw that all together for you guys, and we'll actually throw that up on the screen for you right now. All right, so as you guys can see in that drawing, these two drains actually do tie together with each other underground in a T. So the one that's actually located closer to the house is actually going to lead back to the main sewer line for the neighborhood, and the one that's actually located right here in the front actually goes back and tees as the drain for all your house, for all the stuff in your house, your showers, your toilets, all those things that will actually lead back as well to the drain, to the main sewer line. So the one that we're actually going to want to run the pool hose to from the pool is going to be that back piece. So real simple, as you guys can see, they have those large knobs on. So if they're on there pretty tight, you guys can get a large pair of channel locks and go ahead and twist those off. But these are the two things that you're going to locate, specifically if you do not have the option to drain your pool from your equipment. So in this case, with this pool, as you guys saw earlier, this pool actually runs with a cartridge filter, so there is no way to backwash the system, which means that there is no other drain from the equipment itself. Everything needs to be dealt from with an actual submersible pump in the pool and pumped directly out to this drain. So really easy to locate. They're typically right here in the front of the house. Sometimes they're right closer to the street, depending on how your property's laid out, but these are the two pieces that you're looking for. And as I said, and as you saw from the drawing, the one that you're going to want to drain in will be this back pipe. And actually, once we get things draining, I'll give you guys some more tips and tricks on what you guys need to pay attention for. Make sure you guys check out our how to acid wash a pool video to make sure you guys run through all of that to make sure that you're not going to flood anything back into the back of your house. So today we just showed you guys how to locate these drains and which one you're going to actually use to drain the pool, and we're going to actually go back there and grab the pump and start the process. So make sure you guys check out the other video for that, located in the description. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.